Click on the link below to get price. The Brother Skitch Embroidery Machine is a remarkable addition for anyone interested in the world of embroidery, offering both precision and versatility. This single needle model is particularly user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners while still satisfying more experienced crafters. The standout feature of the Skitch is its speed control, allowing users to adjust the stitching speed to suit their comfort and the intricacy of the design being embroidered. This is especially helpful when working on detailed patterns, as it ensures accuracy without the risk of errors that can occur at higher speeds. One of the most impressive aspects of the Skitch is its range of built-in designs and lettering options. With over 100 built-in designs and numerous fonts, users can easily find inspiration for their projects. The machine also supports USB connectivity, allowing for easy importation of custom designs from a computer. This feature is a game-changer for those looking to personalize their embroidery projects. The setup process is straightforward, with a clear LCD touchscreen that simplifies navigation and design selection. The automatic needle threader saves time and frustration, making the initial setup a breeze. Additionally, the included speed control pedal adds to the convenience, giving users further command over their stitching experience. The Skitch has a robust build quality that feels substantial yet not overly heavy, making it easy to move around if needed. However, it does take up a fair amount of space, so ensuring you have a dedicated area for it is advisable. In terms of maintenance, the machine is fairly easy to clean and service, which is a plus for those planning to use it regularly. Overall, the Brother Skitch Embroidery Machine is an excellent investment for anyone looking to dive into embroidery or enhance their skills. With its combination of user-friendly features, extensive design options, and precise stitching capabilities, it truly stands out in the market, offering great value for crafters of all levels.